I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make a vegan lobster mushroom sub sandwich. To start off, I'm going to be taking 0.7 ounces of our dried lobster mushrooms, and these are available to order on our website, justalkalinevegan.com. So to rehydrate them, you want to simply just add the mushrooms to a bowl and place boiling hot water on top of the mushrooms and let that sit for anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. And as you guys could see, they grew a little bit in size and they definitely went ahead and plumped up. So I'm just going to be draining this water, and this water actually has a lot of minerals and nutrients in it, and it could be repurposed by using the water for your plants, like any house plants that you might have. And this is what the mushrooms look like. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut these up into some smaller pieces and remove any pieces that might have like a little bit of debris on them. Adding those back into that same bowl, and I'm actually going to add boiling hot water over them one more time to just make sure that we got rid of any debris that did not come off from the first soak that we did. And this time I just soaked them for about 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure that they are clean and ready to go. As you guys could see, there was still a little bit of debris that did come off, so that is why I did the hot water 2 different times. So here's what the lobster mushrooms look like when they are completely rehydrated. I'm just going to add them to a towel, and I'm going to be just removing any excess water that might still be in the mushrooms. So I'm just gonna squeeze all of that water out back into that same bowl. And now we're going to be making our marinade for the lobster mushrooms. So to start off, I'm going to be taking a little bit of spring water for the liquid, and then I'm also going to be following up with that with some of our coconut aminos. And today for seasoning, I'm using our Birra taco seasoning, Chimichurri seasoning, and Cajun style seasoning, and a little bit of salt to your liking. And then I'm also going to be adding some fresh green onions as well. And I'm just going to cover this up and place it in the refrigerator for anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. And in the meantime, I'm going to be prepping our bread. So this is the mushrooms after about 30 minutes, and I'm just cooking them in our cast iron pan with that liquid in there, just to kind of steam them a little bit. And I cooked them for about 5 minutes with the lid on, and this is what they look like afterwards. So they are nice and juicy and ready to go. For the bread, I just added them to the cast iron pan with some grapeseed oil. Just want to get that one side of the bread nice and toasty. So here are those lobster mushrooms once again. This is what the bread looks like after I went ahead and grilled it a little bit. So for the sauce, you could use whatever sauce of your liking. This is like a little concoction sauce that I made. And then I'm just going to be taking those lobster mushrooms and putting them right over that sauce. and then a little bit of romaine lettuce that is sliced very, very thinly, and just a little bit of purple onion. Then I'm going to take that same sauce to the other side of our bread, and then we are ready to go ahead and close up our lobster sub sandwich using our dried lobster mushrooms. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys are interested, all the information will be in the description below, where you could order the dried lobster mushrooms as well as the seasonings used in this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe here to our YouTube channel, and I will see you guys next time.